Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the GOHIKING hardwood gun rack. So yeah, GOHIKING is the brand. They're saying it's a handcrafted gun rack. This is like the two pieces you can mount anywhere on your wall and hang your gun up. Alright, so I know a lot of issues with gun mounts is they often don't make this opening big enough. This one already looks nice and large. I know I see what they're saying, hardwood. This is actually made out of wood. Like a real dark stain, almost looks black, but it does have some color to it. And then there's a nice smooth foam insert on these to protect your gun stock. And then it also comes with a mounting kit, which looks like a couple different styles here. If you're going into, they actually have concrete, so if you're going into like a block wall, there's concrete anchors, and then also some drywall anchors. So let's see if there's anything else in here. Solid wood gun rack. Here's the user guide. You just need a screwdriver to install it. Well, drill, depending on what kind of wall you're going into. Yeah, I'm gonna take this upstairs and install it on the wall. It is important to keep in mind there isn't like a way to lock your gun into this type of rack. So you want to make sure it's up high, out of reach of kids, or you have another way to lock your gun with like a trigger lock or something like that. Yeah, I'm going to take this up, install it, and show you guys. So you can see these are really solid. Not that solid though. All right, we'll cut that out. Don't do pull-ups on them. All right, it's actually a really easy fix. There's screws in the back side here. So I'm gonna put this back on here, but slightly offset the holes. Retighten these from the back. Okay, I'll try again, and I won't do a pull-up on them. So, good durability test. They failed the pull-up test, but that might be a lot to ask for, to be honest. They have to hold a 20-pound gun, not a 200-pound man. All right, there they are. Set this thing up, far out of the reach of children. That will set there. Come out a little farther, set the stock in. It does fit that. Yeah. Obviously, I'm limited to mounting it on here, but you could space these out differently if that worked better for your gun. But yeah. Great spot. If I see a deer out the back window here, get it down. Take care of that thing real quick. But I live in town, so there's no deer here, and that'd probably be illegal, but anyhow. Real nice, versatile mount. A lot of different places you could mount it. And yeah, really happy with it. So check it out.